Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing the sewing part of this make top that you're seeing. I made it for my client from the pattern that we drafted earlier. So please stay tuned to see how we sew this dress. So right now I'm done cutting this on my fabric. I just went ahead and placed that pattern paper that we drafted earlier on the fabric and cut it for both the front and the back part. I also went ahead to cut also a lining for this. So now I'll remove the pattern from it. I've done that for the back. I've removed the pattern for the back. I also do the same for the front part. So I'm removing the pattern from the front part. Also at the mimic bustier, I'm also removing the pattern from it. So we are going to be taking all these pieces to our sewing machine to turn them over. We are going to be turning the lining of the back, and we're also going to be turning the lining for the front part, and also using the other piece that we cut for the bustier to turn the bustier and also run a gather stitch on the down part of that bustier. So when I'm done, I will show you guys. So guys, I'm done turning all the pieces. This is the back piece of this dress. I turn it and I've put a dart on it. The same thing to the other side as well. So the front part, I'm also done turning it in. I left the upper part. Now these are the strips that I make for the bustier. So now this is the bust part. I've run a gather stitch on it. For the both side, I did the same thing. So now we are going to start dragging our gather to form the gather on the bustier. So we'll keep dragging it for the meantime until you get the actual measurements you are looking for. So as you can see, we are still doing the gather. We'll keep gathering it till we get the actual measurement. So we'll take our tape. So go ahead and get our tape and check the measurement. So everything here is supposed to be giving us 12 inches. That is 12 inches, but it's still more than 12 inches. So I'll take the other side of the rope and gather it a little more. I'll just go ahead and gather it a little more and take my tape again and gather it again. So it will be giving me 12 inches. So I'm done with that. So I'll do the same for the other side of this dress as well. So I'm done doing it. Sorry, I went ahead to attach that bustier part to the down part of the front. Sorry, the light was off, so I just went ahead and do it. I took the light, so I couldn't run a video on that. But it's very easy. Just go ahead and turn it out, in and out. So you turn them out. You just put it there, flip the lining and turn it out. So as you can see, it's very neat inside and outside as well. So I'm done with that. To look at it. So I'll now, as I'm done with that, I'll now go ahead to join the front and the back and also inside a sleeve. Right, and join the front and the back of this dress together. So I'm done joining this back and the front parts, and also I've gone ahead to inside a sleeve of my choice. So that is just what I did. I just joined the back and the front and I inside a sleeve. So I'll go ahead and put it in a manicure so you can see how it looks like on that manicure. So guys, this is how this make me top came out. It's looking so beautiful. You can see it. You saw it first on my client's body before now, so it's just looking so beautiful. I didn't pin anything. I didn't pin the back of this dress. I didn't pin any part of it. See the strip, see the bust area. So please dear, if you find this video helpful and you find it important, please do subscribe to my channel. Please help this channel to grow. Just hit the subscription button, like this video, comment on it, and please just subscribe to my channel. Thank you and remain blessed.